Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get the snatched waist on Berry Avenue. So if you go to avatar here and you're just going to go to menu, go to body, then select this icon here and you're going to search for blush fashion doll, and you're going to select this first one. And then you're only going to select the arms and the legs as well as the body. So select you can only just select the body if you don't want the arms and stuff. But as you can see, my waist is already snatched, so I'm just going to leave it as is. But you can also wear the hands and the legs, well, the arms. And that's how you can get a snatched waist on Berry Avenue. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.